This is how you win a $199 Samsung repair.
It's a great day at Techie. My name is Jude. What information can I provide for you today?
Started off with a positive. It's a great day at Techie. What information can I give for you today? Love that.
Hey, Samsung fall and drop. I was wondering, it looked a little big though.
Okay, so you dropped the Samsung and cracked it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, for sure. We can definitely get that replaced for you. For this.
Perfect. I can definitely get that replaced for you. That's the confidence that we're looking for in these calls. This is a one call, by the way. If you like the information in this video, check out techuniversity.com. Go into the link in bio. We have 15 years of experience in this industry for free. techuniversity.com.